Hey guys, ChrisMarketLSN.com, and I would like to welcome you to another great video. Today I'm twicely excited about this video because today I'm gonna show you a very nice way on how you can make from anywhere 13 USD to 30 USD for searching Google. And also today, for the first time, I'm gonna introduce the golden dollar game to my subscriber to my channel. I'm gonna explain both of these just in a second. Before we go ahead and start this video, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe on the channel. If it's your first time on the channel, it would be a great honor to have you on my channel, guys, and it will be meaning a lot to me. And make sure you click the bell notification next to it in order to receive a notification for my videos released just for you on how you can make money. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna minimize this, and before I go to the video, I'm gonna jump on my second way. I'm really excited, guys. Starting today, I'm introducing the golden dollar game through my channel for my video users as a thank you for everybody who's watching our videos. I'm gonna, throughout the video, and it's gonna be starting any second after this, you're gonna be seeing different dollar icons. The golden dollar, where you're gonna see throughout the video, just watch out the video and it's gonna pop up. You're gonna see a golden dollar. The golden dollar is the one who wins. So what I want you to do, when you see the golden dollar icon, just comment below the video the second, the minute. For example, 1:35, you saw the golden dollar. Just comment below, and I'm gonna choose one from you guys through my subscribers. You have to be a subscriber to my channel in order to win. So comment the minute you saw the golden dollar, and if you are a few people finding this, the winner will get $1 as a thank you for watching this video to your PayPal account. Straight away, I'm gonna contact you, give me your email, and I send you the money directly to your PayPal account. So this is a golden dollar. Make sure you pay attention because you're gonna receive different icons, so don't get fooled. You're looking for the golden dollar. So this is it, the golden dollar game. I'm really happy. I hope you enjoy this new game. And the new video for today, guys, is called Appen.com. Make sure you go ahead and click below the description in order to receive the Appen.com website. And Appen used to be LeapForce, yeah. So LeapForce is now renamed to Appen. And what you're gonna be doing, Google is hiring Appen or previous LeapForce. So they assign users like ourselves in order to make some Google search and make sure that the links or data and the results coming out from the Google are accurate, are working okay, and so on. So as for example, guys, let's say for example that you want to look for t-shirts, t-shirt designs, and you search for this. If for any reason the results you come here is not related, maybe it's not, instead of t-shirt, the first result is showing you jeans or cars or something like that. That doesn't make sense. So you're gonna go ahead and report that this doesn't make sense for the result. The result is not related with this one. That's one thing. So the second thing, let's say for example, you're gonna see this t-shirt design online from this company. You're gonna try to click on it and it doesn't click. Or another thing, let's say for example, this allshirts.com, you click here, it take you to another website which is not related with either all shirts or shirts at all. So this is what you're gonna be doing as a small example for this site. It's not just gonna be reporting the link, it doesn't work. You're gonna have to give a little bit more information. Like for example, today I'm using my my computer, which is a Windows this version, and I have this operating system. I'm using Mozilla browser, and I tried to use for t-shirt design search. I got these results, and on the second result, when I try to click, is redirecting me to another unrelated site. So you have to give like a small paragraph of information. Is not just the link doesn't work, thank you. It's not working like this. You have to give them enough information so they can identify and fix the problem. Yes. So this is what you're gonna be doing now. What you like to do, guys, is in order to start working on this, you go to Appen.com, you click on the find flexible jobs, yeah, and it's gonna direct you. All right, just 1 second to load. Maybe it's a problem we need to report. Okay, it's gonna direct you guys to let me refresh. Okay, from my side, for some reason it's trying to open but it doesn't. It's gonna take you to the flexible jobs, and guys, what you're gonna be looking from there, you're gonna be looking for data evaluators. This is the one you're gonna be looking for, data evaluators. And once you are there, make sure you look that is based on the country, that is for Chinese speakers, for Hindi, from United States, for English speakers. So make sure you click the find flexible jobs. For some reason mine is delaying to open. I can see on the upper on the lower left side that it's trying to open, but for some reason it's stuck. So you go ahead, click on the find flexible jobs, and you go from there. And this is what I want to show you guys today, how you can use Google search based on Appen.com and give some results back to them on things that they don't work. It's a good way to make money. On average is between 13 USD to up to 30 USD dollars, guys, for the research. Actually, the maximum I've shown is 33.98 USD dollars for this job, for the data evaluator for the LeapForce and Appen. So go ahead, give it a shot. I hope this is looking for you. In case it doesn't, my #1 description for the best way, my best recommended way is listed below. You can click there and you can start making some money with a passive income. Free to join, video with proof, and passive comes in. I hope you like the content of this video. I hope you like the new golden game that I'm introducing to you guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click where you saw the golden dollar so I can come back and reward you with the $1 for watching this video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.